If you've ever felt like you were starting over again, this is for you. I'm rebuilding from zero. No earnings yet, no hype, just a clean setup inside the Home Business Academy that finally makes sense. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact funnel you'll be using, the bridge page logic, and how I'm building my list daily, step by step. Stick around to the end because I'll show you how this setup compounds over time, even if you're starting from scratch. Now here's what I'm breaking down today. The full HBA setup, funnel builder, bridge page, email list logic, why I chose HBA over other programs, how I'm documenting everything daily for clarity and trust, what makes this system deployable even for beginners, and why residual income done right is the most powerful asset in the entire rebuild. This is the full Home Business Academy setup, how I'm rebuilding from zero with a funnel that finally makes sense. I'm using HBA's funnel builder. It's clean, fast, and doesn't require tech skills. You don't need to duct tape tools together. The builder, the autoresponder, the training, it's all inside one dashboard. Well, the autoresponder is. I don't know why it's... Anyways, the bridge page is where I anchor trust. Okay, this is what the bridge page looks like. So, you see how this is different than anything you've probably seen unless you're a really elite marketer, okay? It actually sets me apart from everybody else because most people are using the building a list for the company because they're using the company's replicated website. And what makes you set you apart from others? You send that, everybody else is sending that. What is different? Why would they listen to you, okay? Because if you're really marketing, you're trying to solve problems, right? Problem solving. So don't you want to set them aside, set yourself in that leader role, set yourself from everybody else, send them the company site. You're not building your list, you're not building know, like, and trust from people. What's the odds somebody's going to come to your page and just buy it all the way right that way? But if they put their name and email address, you now have a chance to build a real relationship, right? Now this page is where I anchor trust. It's not just a redirect, it's a moment of clarity for anyone who's been burned before. I use my real video and I keep it simple. I tell you who I am, why I chose HBA, and what's next. And then I hand you off to the person, one of the founders of the company, right? Just a calm walkthrough of what I'm doing and why. Every lead goes straight into my list. You've heard the money's in the list, right? It's not just a saying. Your list is somewhere where you can build a relationship with somebody, where you can send them daily emails. Now I have 150 emails in that goes to my people that are interested. 150. Now if I even send one a day, that's 5 months. Now if I split it apart 2 days, that's nearly a year, 10 months of emails, okay? I tweak it to match my tone. Calm, honest, no pressure. I'm not trying to convert people. I'm trying to connect. And because the system is built on residuals, every connection has long-term value. I'm not building a list, I'm building leverage. Russell Brunson said it best. You're one funnel away from the life you want. You're one funnel away from the life you want. But here's the part most people miss. The funnel only works if the system behind it is simple, sustainable, and built on trust. That's why I chose the HBA. It's not just a funnel, it's a framework that compounds. HBA pays 80% residual commissions each and every month. That means every person who plugs in and stays because the system works, creates monthly income that stacks month after month after month. You're not chasing one-time sales, you're building a base that grows quietly in the background. And because the tools are actually usable and the funnel builder only costs $25, people stay. That's the difference between hype and architecture. And we're building team pages that will not just train you, but train everybody else on the daily steps you need to make lead, traffic, leads, and sales, okay? And build a list and start traction marketing. Most people are scared to teach you attraction marketing because then you have power. Then you have the power to build monopolies on every single search term for any single company. But why stop there? You're going to be a badass marketer, but why wouldn't you want a team full of badass marketers that's trained for you? Okay? Now, ClickFunnels is $97 a month. Minimum. If you want the full suite, it's $297. And most beginners never use half the features. HBA is $25 for the funnel builder. And look at all the training you get. Okay? Look at this training. All of this. Okay? And it helps. Look at the daily meals provided to kids so far in our community. 361,000 days. Pretty powerful and pretty cool, right? You gonna feed starving kids? Come on. Again, if you want to learn how to do exit subdomain injection with Builder, you do this. Click on that video, right? One-click upsell and downsell pages, okay? They even called 5 done-for-you funnels. Now, even if you want both the funnel builder and the full premium, that's $150 total, and you have the ability to earn $120 per referral per month. It's clean, it's simple, and it's built for traction, not confusion. ClickFunnels is like buying a luxury car to deliver pizzas. It's powerful but overbuilt for most beginners. HBA is like a hybrid bike, lightweight, efficient, and built to go the distance. And because it pays 80% residuals, every mile you ride adds to your momentum. You're not just moving, you're compounding. Now let's say you get $3,000 in a month. Pretty cool, right? But guess what? The next month you're back at zero. Now if you make $3,000 in a month, we get to $3,000 in HBA, right? Sorry, 3,000, right? Guess what? Next month you're starting at 3,000 because people are going to stay. Okay? What if you lost a couple people? You're still talking about $1,960 per month. And now everybody you add is going to add $20 a month to your income. If you're rebuilding too, save this video. I'll be documenting each and every step so you can plug in faster with less friction. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're rebuilding. Tag someone who's stuck and needs clarity. And subscribe if you want the full journey, not just the highlight reel. This isn't theory, it's tested, and it's built for people who have been burned before. If you want to see the full setup, walk through a support system, go to johnsolly.com/HBA-CP. You can click the first link in the description as well. Okay? No hype, and the first pinned comment, right? It's pinned. Just a clean rebuild point for anyone starting from zero. Every module is practical. Every tool is plug and play. And the support feels like real mentorship. Look at these. You even have a built-in AI. How can I help you? And then you can click, oh, I need login help. Live community event schedule. Live agent. Boom. And again, you get 5 done for you funnels. Let's click on 3K a month. Tells you exactly how to set up your name, your autoresponder. Let me see a different one, right? Online recruiting secrets. And it also comes with pictures too. What? Oh, pretty damn badass, right? Now, I want to show you a few things before I go, right? That I am actually using this website. Okay, so I'm going to show you right here. Affiliate Mentor, best bonuses ever. How simple this is. Copy. Okay? Okay, we're going to edit over this right here. Okay, what the heck? Best bonuses ever. I don't know why it added that, but we're going to delete, right? This is live. I'm recording. Okay. So, it messes up the formatting, whatever. You get the point. And then I'm going to go to back to the video, right? I'm going to share. I'm going to copy the link. Now watch this. This is really powerful, right? Where's the website? Okay. We're going to click on edit video. We're going to paste in the new thing. Now the guy has black shirt and a thumbs up, right? Now watch this. Totally different video, right? So pretty cool. Very easy. This is the full, okay, and I want to show you that we can actually rank. Okay? You want your people trained, right? And the very steps you need to do to syndicate, to build an email list, to not only you train, but your people are trained. So all your job is done for you, right? If you join HBA, we're giving you the team site, right? That you can get everybody trained, and everybody else, okay? And we will help build your team and put them on steroids, so you can be the badass affiliate you've always wanted to be. And we're going to be giving that away for free. So I want to show you how many funnels I've actually made, okay? Every one of my videos ends up being a funnel. Yeah, I'm going to discard. I'm not saving. So, Simple Freedom War is just a tip of why most people fail to make money online and how to fix it. Okay? And it's a funnel. Look. Pretty cool, right? And, oh yeah, ranking. Alright, so you see I'll put my money where my mouth is. I'm going to show you all the people, including myself, who can rank. And I ranked it from the first video. Immediately. The same day I got started. We're looking for affiliate men are legit. Okay. Oh, why did I do that? Let's try again. Legit. And it's loading. Give it a second. This looks like this is it. Okay, so number 1, Michael De La Cruz, team member. I'm only going to give you our team member. This first one is a sponsored video, it's an ad. Postcard Lifestyle, another team member. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's now loading the page. I don't know why it took so long. Okay. A lot of people look for affiliate meta scam or whatever they're searching for. Let's see, ClickFunnels scam, QuickFunnels legit. So it's a pretty competitive site. Okay. Oh, affiliate marketing legit. Okay, that's why. That makes sense. Legitty. I love when you're recording live. Yeah, I could put that in my blooper reel. I'll be right back. So Michael De La Cruz, Postcard Lifestyle. Again, these are I'm only giving you the people that actually ranked from our team. Mr. Orange Dream, another one. And see how I don't know why my internet is so slow right now. Because I can actually, so it's taking forever. But you get the picture, okay? We will train you on the daily steps you need every single day to set yourself apart from the other 98% that aren't going anywhere and aren't making any consistent money. And the power of HBA is you aren't starting from zero every month. You're starting from a solid foundation. Let's say you got 5 sales. So the next month you got $250, right? And you're only paying $25, okay? Toward what? Yeah. So $240 would be, okay? So you get 20, so let's say you have 12 people, okay? That's $240. You're not starting from zero, and maybe you make $3,000, maybe you make $100, maybe you make nothing, okay? And you're building your list. You set yourself apart. You set yourself up for success. This was a full home business academy setup, how I'm rebuilding from zero with a funnel that finally makes sense. This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka Yo Funny Neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.